Good morning, boys and girls. Today in math, we are sharing equally. Some other words you might hear when you're being asked to share equally are division or divide, split, each, cut, array, share between, and there's many more, but we'll get used to those as we progress. Now, we're making groups, okay? A group could be anything. You're used to making groups when you might share things out into bowls for people. Perhaps you will, but there's a group there, and a group of pastas there, and a group of pastas there to get some more. Each bowl has a group of pastas. Or you might have shared things out between friends before. So, there's a group of pasta for that girl and a group of pastas for that girl. You've just made two groups. And now that they're both the same, they're equal groups. A group could be anywhere or anything. It might be in lolly bags. If you've shared lollies into groups for each bag, that could be your groups, or it might be things that you've circled to make groups. There's a group, there's a group, there's a group. A group could be anything. Now, an equal group means that there's the same amount in each bowl, or each friend, or each lolly bag, or in each circle. So that's just a reminder of making groups, making equal groups, and sharing equal groups. So today I'm going to use these 12 pieces of pasta and I'm going to share them equally to see how many in each group. Then I'm going to do it a little bit differently and I'm going to share them into groups, but I know how many are in each group. I'm going to see how many groups I make after all the pastas are finished. So just watch this one today. You don't have to do it, and then we can do your math sheet together. So I'm just checking there's 12. Now there's 2 in each row, and a row goes across. So I'm going to skip count by 2 to count them or add them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, there's 12 pieces of pasta. So I'm going to put them into 4 groups. So my 4 bowls will make my groups. Let's do it. Okay, 1. Everybody gets 1. And we keep going until there's no more pastas left. Now everybody gets 2. And 3. I'm picking up my last one. 3. Are all the groups equal? Do they have the same? Yes, they all have 3. So we've made 4 groups with 3 in each group. So 12 pastas all together, shared into 4 groups, makes 3 in each group. But you could do it a different way. You could get all your pastas. Oops, sorry, not the best filming. You could know how many pastas you've got. And so I've got 12 because I collected them. And I'm going to collect these bowls. And you could be asked to do it this way. You know how many you start with. So in division or sharing equally, you know the big number to begin with. But you could be told how many in each group first, and then find out how many groups it would make if you used up all the pieces. For example, if someone said to me, Mrs. Buchan, please get these 12 pieces of pasta and give people 6 each. How many people could you give it to before you run out? Oh, all right. Well, let's put 6 in this bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, oops, we've got some left, so we better get another bowl. Let's another person get some. And picking up the rest here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so 6 in that bowl, 6 in that bowl. They're equal, they're even, they're the same. And I've run out of pastas, so we know that if I have 12 pastas and I give 6 in each group, I can make 2 groups. We'll try one more. This time, now I'm just showing you today, you don't have to do it, but we'll do a lot of this. So if it's new to you today, don't worry, it won't always be. Now I've got my 12 pieces of pasta. And they say, Mrs. Buchanan, this time please give your friends 4 pieces of pasta each. How many friends are going to get pasta? All right, well, let's get our first friend. We'll see how many we can make, how many groups of 4 we can make until we run out of pastas. You get 4, first friend. It's 4. Oops, we've got more. Let's get another bowl. Okay, this person gets, oopsie, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they're equal, but there's still more pasta to give out. Great, I'll get another bowl for another friend. And, my last 4 pieces, so I'll get them all. And I'll give it to a third friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all equal. I've run out of pastas in my pile of 12 pastas. So that tells me if I have 12 pastas and I give 4 to each group, that could be bowls, friends, lolly bags, whatever your group may be, we know that there will be 3 groups made. All right, but we can go over that another time. So we'll just start talking about that now. Now let's look at our activity today. And I must say, I love that you post them to Seesaw because I can see you're working very hard. Now, I've gone back. Here we go. Today is Wednesday. So it's asking us draw lines to share equally. Oh, well, we're getting good at this now. 1 for you. To make it easier, I'm going to go from this side. 1 for you, 2 for you, 2 for you. That made it easier. I didn't have to cross over. I met in the middle. How many each? Well, I don't think you need me to show you. We can see that they got 2 each. 2 for you and 2 for you. Now, it's not asking how many altogether. It's asking how many did they get each. All right, next one. Oh, socks this time. All right. 1 for you. 1 for you. And you can have this one. 1 for you. 2 for you. 2 for you. And 2 for you. No socks left. So we know they got 2 each. How many each? So not all together, each. So you got 2 and you got 2 and you got 2. They got 2 each. Getting easy now, I hope. If not, please tell your teacher or post on Seesaw and I will do a Zoom with you and we can do it together. All right, how many each? Well, I'm going to let you do that one by yourself. Now, for those people who like to be challenged, please remember Mathletics. We have set Mathletics tasks in number, addition and subtraction and multiplication now, so you can go ahead and do the harder tasks there as well. If you're not sure how to do that, post on Seesaw to this activity and I say please show me how to do the more challenging tasks on Seesaw, Mathletics, and I'll contact you and we can go through it together. All right, now today it says number 1, how can 12 beads be put on 2 strings? We know how to do that. You share them equally. Let's go. So I'm going to put the top ones on this one and the left side on this one and the right side on the bottom one. So 1 here, 1 here, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now you can draw them on and cross them off if you want. 3. I'm trying to hurry for you. 4, 5, 6, and 6. Now if you want you can draw them on, but I'll go ahead. So they got how many each? They got 6 each. All right, now this one you can do all by yourself and it does look like fun. Number 2, how can 12 cherries be put on 3 cakes? Well, you're just going to cross them off, aren't you? And draw a cherry, cross another one, oopsie, draw a cherry, cross another, and so on. And once they've all got 1, keep going till they've all got 2. And I'll let you finish that by yourself. Please pop your answer in, how many each when you're finished. So how many on each cake, not how many all together. Thanks again for your hard work. You are superstars. Bye.